Fight cold and flu naturally. Powerful home remedies that actually work. I used to think you just had to ride out a cold or flu with tissues, rest, and hope. But what if your kitchen already held powerful natural remedies to ease your symptoms, maybe even prevent them? This is your all-in-one guide to beating colds and flu naturally. Whether you're sneezing, congested, or simply run down, these traditional home remedies will help you bounce back without side effects. 1. The power of oregano and ginger. Have you ever tried oregano and ginger tea? It's a nutrient-dense elixir loaded with omega-3s, vitamins A, C, E, zinc, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory benefits. This tea does it all. Calms nausea, perfect for motion sickness or after meals. Eases colds and flu symptoms. Supports weight loss by boosting metabolism. Fights inflammation and oxidative stress to make it. 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 2 cups of water. Boil for 5 minutes, rest 10 minutes, strain, and add honey, optional. Drink up to 3 times daily for no more than 15 days, then take a break. 2. The lemon peel immune syrup. Next up, a homemade syrup loaded with immune-boosting power. Made with lemon, garlic, apple, ginger, black pepper, and turmeric, this natural remedy is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lemon strengthens the immune system. Garlic fights viruses and bacteria. Ginger and turmeric reduce inflammation. Black pepper improves absorption of turmeric. How to make it? Juice 1 lemon, reserve peel, simmer peel, crushed garlic, and ginger in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Blend 2 peeled apples, turmeric, black pepper, and the boiled mix. Simmer until syrupy. Take 1 tablespoon daily and refrigerate. 3. Turmeric and honey antiviral paste. When you need a potent natural antibiotic, this 2-ingredient remedy is magic. Turmeric and honey, simple but mighty. Turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal powers. Honey is a natural cough suppressant and soothes sore throats. Use it like this. Mix 1 tablespoon turmeric with 100 grams raw honey. Day 1, half a teaspoon every hour. Day 2, half a teaspoon every 2 hours. Day 3, half a teaspoon every 8 hours. Use raw organic honey if possible. Store in a sealed jar in a cool place. 4. The onion expectorant and air cleanser. Let's talk onions. Yes, the tear-jerkers in your kitchen are also powerful healers. Cutting an onion in half and placing it by your bed helps purify the air and reduce nasal congestion. You can also make a syrup. 1 medium onion, chopped, 2 cups water, boil for 15 minutes, strain, add juice of 1 lemon plus 2 teaspoons honey. Take 1 tablespoon, 2-3 times a day. It lasts 2 days in the fridge. 5. Green tea with honey. Green tea is one of nature's best antioxidant sources. Pair it with honey, and you've got a powerhouse duo. Helps clear congestion, reduces inflammation, soothes sore throats, fights bacteria and viruses. To prepare: 1 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon green tea, steep 2 minutes, stir in 1 tablespoon honey, drink it warm and breathe in the soothing steam. 6. Indian Kadha and salt gargles. From Ayurvedic tradition comes Kadha, a healing herbal decoction. Ingredients: half a teaspoon grated ginger, 3 crushed tulsi leaves, pinch of cinnamon, pinch of black pepper, Boil with 1.5 cups water for 10-15 minutes. Add honey. Sip warm, 2-3 times a day. Salt gargles. 1 teaspoon salt in warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds, 3-4 times a day. Add a pinch of turmeric for extra healing. 7. Ginger-Honey-Haldi paste and Laddu. This combo is famous in Indian homes. 1 teaspoon honey plus a few drops ginger juice plus 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Sip slowly, letting it coat your throat. Or make Ayurvedic Laddu. Mix jaggery paste, turmeric, and dry ginger powder. Add ghee for dry cough. Suck and chew slowly. It's a natural cough lozenge. 8. Lemon garlic ginger remedy. This is simple, comforting mix. 1 whole lemon, washed and chopped. 4 garlic cloves, smashed. 4-inch ginger, peeled and chopped. 1/2 cup water. Blend everything into a thick pulp. Take 1 teaspoon straight or mix with equal parts raw honey. Freeze in ice cube trays for convenience and use when symptoms start. Final tips and root cause prevention. Don't just treat symptoms, avoid them altogether by 1. Avoiding cold air directly on your head, like ceiling fans or sleeping without a head covering. 2. Not bathing immediately after waking up. Let your body warm up and circulate first. 3. Avoiding cold drinks and frozen foods, they shock your system. 4. Always drying your hair post-shower. 5. Preventing constipation. Eat fiber-rich fruits and hydrate. When your digestive system is clean and immunity strong, your risk of catching cold or flu drops significantly. So there you have it, 8 powerful, time-tested natural remedies for cold and flu. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you've got a family remedy or grandmother's secret potion, I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural healing tips and share this with someone who always catches the flu first. Stay warm, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.